Want to grow the biggest, healthiest, and most flavorful peppers ever? Today, we're unveiling the ultimate organic fertilizer that will revolutionize your pepper plants, both before and after planting. The best part? You already have everything you need right at home. This isn't just for peppers either. This secret fertilizer works wonders for tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and a variety of other vegetables. Stick around until the end because we'll also reveal exactly when and how to apply it for maximum results. Before we dive into the fertilizer, let's talk about the basics of growing healthy, productive pepper plants. First things first, location, location, location. Peppers are sun worshippers. They need their daily dose of sunshine to grow strong and pack that punch of flavor. Aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. So, whether it's a sunny corner of your garden or a bright spot on your balcony, make sure your peppers can soak up those rays. Next up, soil quality. Peppers are picky about their roots. They hate soggy feet, so well-drained soil is a must. If your soil holds too much water, it's time to give it a boost. Mix in some organic matter like compost or even a bit of sand to improve drainage. Trust me, your peppers will thank you. Now, let's talk about soil pH, the secret sauce for thriving peppers. These plants love slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Too acidic? Add a sprinkle of garden lime. Too alkaline? Compost or sulfur will do the trick. Getting the pH right is like hitting the sweet spot for your peppers. It's where the magic happens. Now let's get to the secret sauce, our powerful homemade fertilizer. This simple yet highly effective mix will supercharge your peppers from the roots up, ensuring they grow bigger, healthier, and more flavorful than ever before. What you'll need: half a liter of warm water, 2 grams of dry yeast, yes, the same yeast you use for baking, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yeast is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with phytohormones, microelements, and beneficial compounds that turbocharge root development and overall plant growth. The sugar activates the yeast, speeding up fermentation and creating an enriched solution that your plants will absolutely love. How to make it? Begin with: mix the dry yeast and sugar into the warm water. Stir well and let the mixture sit for 3 days to allow fermentation to occur. After 3 days, your fertilizer is ready to use. The nutrients in the yeast mixture promote strong root systems, healthy foliage, and bountiful harvests across your garden. Timing is everything when it comes to feeding your pepper plants. Think of it like this: you wouldn't eat breakfast at dinner time, right? Your plants need the right nutrients at the right time to thrive. So here's the perfect fertilizing schedule to keep your peppers happy and productive. Let's start with the first feeding. Apply fertilizer 10 days after planting. This gives your plants a strong start and encourages healthy root development. Think of it as their first power up. Next up, the second feeding. This one happens during the flowering phase. Why? Because flowers mean peppers are on the way. Fertilizing now supports robust flower production, which means, you guessed it, more peppers for you. Finally, the third feeding. Apply fertilizer when the fruits start forming. This is the home stretch, folks. Feeding your plants now ensures those peppers grow big, juicy, and packed with flavor. Now, let's talk about how to apply fertilizer. It's super easy. First, dilute the fertilizer mixture with 5 liters of water. This makes sure it's gentle on your plants but still packed with nutrients. Always water at the base of the plant, avoiding the leaves. This ensures the roots absorb all the goodness. No waste, no fuss, just happy, healthy plants. And there you have it, the perfect fertilizing schedule to grow the biggest, juiciest peppers. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing.